Love you lots.
Goodbye, Lisa. Remember me as I am, filled with murderous rage.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted normal programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is KRIV. We will continue to serve the Texas City area. If you are not in this local area, you should now tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Texas City area. Do not use the telephone lines. The telephone lines must be kept open for emergency use. We interrupt our programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming will be discontinued during this emergency. This is KRIV. This station will continue furnishing news, official information, and instructions for the Texas City area. If you are not in the Texas City area, you should now tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. It is important to listen carefully for announcements from this station in your local area. We interrupt our programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming will be discontinued during this emergency. This is KRIV. This station will continue furnishing news, official information, and instructions for the Texas City area. If you are not in the Texas City area, you should now tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. It is important to listen carefully for announcements from this station in your local area.
This is not a test. This is a national emergency. A catastrophic event is taking place. This event has the capability of creating an extinction event in the end of civilization. If the proper actions are not taken, a gamma ray burst struck the northwest United States and Canada from a distance of 650 light years away, an expanding hole in the ozone layer that is bringing in high levels of ultraviolet light. It is expected that the ozone layer will completely disappear within the next few days, thus creating a health hazard for all people and animals. Cancer rates will skyrocket. Changes in atmospheric chemistry will likely cause breathing problems. A dense, toxic haze will cover the Earth and reflect most sunlight. This will result in a nuclear winter event. Temperatures will drop worldwide. Expect catastrophic food shortages as well as shortages in other essential supplies. Communication systems are already suffering from extensive damage. Astronomers have discovered that multiple low Earth orbit satellites are on a collision course with the planet's surface. Expect wildfires caused by satellite collisions. In response to this event, the President has placed the United States and all overseas territories under a state of emergency, effective until further notice. Martial law is, in effect. This means that the military will enforce the law and all law enforcement agencies will be put under military control. As of now, all wages and prices will be frozen. A price cap on all goods and services has been put into place to prevent price gouging. Price gouging is a criminal offense that will result in prison time. Civil unrest and other criminal activity will result in arrest and detention without legal counsel. Shelters are being set up to accommodate people displaced by the event. Greenhouses will be set up to provide food for the American people. Citizens are strongly encouraged to wear masks rated N95 or higher. Please gather enough food, water, medical supplies, and clothing to last 2 years. Get a battery-powered radio with extra batteries for the event of power outages. Power outages are already taking place. The President is being moved to a classified secure location and will speak on all stations when possible. This message will repeat for as long as possible.